So hey there, welcome back to another video, and in this video we'll be talking about the overview of a narrow AI. So before getting started, make sure to subscribe our YouTube channel, AI Mania YouTube channel, AI Mania, and like this particular video so you never miss an update. So before getting started, I want to tell you about the last videos that we talked about. It was all around certain things that is just related to AI, because the thing that we are talking about is AI. So it was around AI for environmental sustainability and the impact of AI on our society as a whole. So the next thing is a narrow AI, the secret ingredient behind your favorite apps. So before getting started, let me just tell you about the table of contents that we need to discuss. We have what is narrow AI, the definition and the basics, applications of narrow AI, different types of narrow AI, advantages and challenges of narrow AI, examples of narrow AI, choose the right program. At the end of the video, we have conclusive findings followed by frequently asked questions. So, artificial intelligence is one of human beings' greatest and most useful inventions. Though easing in the life of humans, it is still incapable of human competition. Narrow AI is an example of such incapability as this AI is capable of performing specialized tasks based on pre-learned knowledge with focused and targeted approach efficiently benefiting a human task. There remains room for improvement and advancement. Let us get a brief overview of narrow AI to ensure better familiarity. So, what is narrow AI? A specialization of artificial intelligence. AI is named as focusing on a specific goal or designed to handle a single task is referred to as a narrow AI. It is also known as a weak AI, artificial narrow intelligence, or ANI. So the narrow version of AI is named so compared to a strong AI, which can act on more than one task at a time. The specific specialization also emphasizes the inability of narrow AI to update, learn, to modify the knowledge or training of other tasks. The narrow AI can be estimated to mimic or stimulate human behavior in a narrow range of parameters. The functionality here is achieved through NLP or natural language processing. So here are the applications of narrow AI. Advancements in narrow AI with increased improvements have drastically enhanced its incorporation into the modern devices and technologies. The applications of narrow AI are commonly seen as virtual assistants. Is the first one. It is the wildest it is the widest and most common application present in every household. It responds to the voices to perform a simple task and provide information. Natural language processing (NLP). It performs and acts as sentiment analysis, customer support system, language translation, and chatbots to understand and generate human language. Image and speech recognition, the visual and auditory analysis by narrow AI is seen in speech to text converters and facial and image recognition technologies. Recommendation systems, it works based on user preferences and behaviors to suggest products, movies, merch, and the other content. Fraud detection, it can detect patterns to find fraudulent transactions, minimizing risk and identifying unusual behaviors. Now let's have a chat about the different types of narrow AI. So the first one is reactive AI. So the reactive AI acts to perform specific tasks and responds to simple inputs. It is a basic version of artificial intelligence lacking memory or storage capabilities. The response received from reactive AI is new and not based on prior knowledge or information. The generated responses are best on the pre-programmed rules and the patterns to make decisions and respond. The best performances is seen in playing games such as chess, where moves are based on well-defined rules. So the next one is limited memory AI. The limited memory AI has been developed by humans. Post advancements, the version finds incorporated memory that aids in better performance. It contributes to training the narrow AI and provides a reference via past experiences, allowing it to learn through historical data. The statistical and learning-based decisions are witnessed in its advanced application in self-driving cars. However, improvement opportunities remain in learning and decision making beyond the training data as well. So the next ones are the advantages of and challenges of narrow AI. While the technology does encounter certain challenges, it offers the benefits too. Advantages of narrow AI is a thing. So the first one is faster decision making, and the data processing based on an often known set of rules of society on decision making, eliminating the requirement of additional activities. It enhances the decision making speed, contributing to humans' speed and overall productivity. So the next one is automated redundant attacks. The redundant attacks do not require the active presence of the of the mind, and repetitive are boring in nature. So that was it for this video. Thank you for watching.